The goal is circulation. So one of the most common problems we see in this exercise, as beginners especially, is tiny little teeny weeny pumps with the arms. Your arms are the water pump flushing the blood through your guts, right? And these guts need to be freshened up every single day, just like you brush your teeth. So you don't want to have stale guts, you want to have big pumps. Now if my client isn't getting those big pumps, I'll just come along, and you're the best example, Sandy, but yours are pretty good, and I'll give them some pumps into their guts, okay? So I'm using my hands. I might use my words, so that's one way you can do it. I might use my words and say bigger pumping, bigger breathing. Breathe in more air and breathe out even more and squeeze your lungs fresh and clean, because that engages your diaphragm, engages your guts to flush the blood out.